Good morning. What a weekend. What a weekend. What a start to Tuesday. Bank holiday in it, so what a start to Tuesday. No freaking tea bag thing. I had to go, Alice has got like a little stash in a bag for work. I had to go in there and raid some. But yeah, what a weekend for Leeds. See, look at my eyes. Looks like I've been out on Smash. Didn't have one drop of beer. All celebration. Everyone were drinking. Everyone were having fun. They got the train into Leeds, which took them ages. I drove into Leeds. I drove to Armwood Prison, a little bit further, down by Harley Davidson garage. Dumped my car on double yellow lines, I'm not bothered. Walked into town. I had 2 kids with me. Walked into town, got there before everyone, and then they all stayed out and I went, right, I'm going home. And then at 4:30, me and the eldest lad set off to Manchester for his footy training. So, did well. And nobody believed me I was going to do it. Everyone were like, yeah, whatever, you're going to see him. Some lads were up from London. Lasses were out who we hadn't seen for ages. And yeah, it was just good. But yeah, I did well. I'm so proud of myself. But I don't know why my bloody eyes are like this at all. Don't know. But yes, busy day today. Busy day. Look at all of this crap here. Our lasses using my car like a van. Gate to put in, turf to do, blocks to finish, resin to do, gravel to do, and there's 12 flags to lay. Now I might stay late and get them down, but I might send these 2 back tomorrow morning to lay them if I prep the area today. But we'll see. Fancy staying late today and getting it actually done. Actually seeing it, you know. But yes, let's do it. Right, so Tom's already started down here, pointing this edge up and up that way. Wet sleeper is, I just had to relay that flag, it was loose. Just going to finish up pointing that, and now I'm going to be putting the blocks in across here. Blocks are going in, and then turfing. As I'm putting in blocks in, I think Tom will be off for turf, I think. Little tip for you for turfing. Everybody measures in square metres. The turf, if you measure it, width times length, still works out at 0.9, so it's still a square yard. So this is 42 square metres, but 42 times 0.8 is 49 whatever. So I just ordered 50. Don't be scared of getting too less. Luckily, too less. Don't be scared of getting the exact amount, because it will never, ever, ever work out, because it's on 0.9 and not 1.0. So, this isn't too bad. Our turf field's only down the road, turf yard. In Huddersfield, we bought it from over here in Leeds, and then over in Huddersfield, I had to get a different turf, and it's just a different field, so it's a different shade. So it does look different. But yeah, always times your area, work out in square metre, and then times it by 0.9, and that's how many rolls you need. Plus a little bit more, because you just always do. But yeah, tip of the day. Put these through empty, and then I'll start up there and come at you. Come back. So then guys, that is a wrap for that job. Sorry, sausage dog's just fussing over me because I've just come in. I still think it's amazing on new builds what you actually get. I was actually talking to the client today about it, and it's like we paid extra for carpets, extra for turf, even though we ripped the turf up. And everything's just an extra. Like, you look on it and it goes prices from, and it'll say 385 grand, whatever, and then it works out at another 50 grand in extras by the time you finish with it. But yeah, new build gardens, I love them because it is just a blank canvas. So it is. It's just a total blank canvas, and every day that goes by, especially when using diggers, every day that goes by is just, they're like, wow, wow, again, wow, 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 every time. What's up? What's up? You want it to be on camera? Are you? But yeah, I love it. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. See you soon.